Hello everyone, I'm sorry if this is confusing, but I sent a file with no sound and I realized it too late, so right now it's almost the deadline, as you can see. So here's my face. I don't have a webcam, so this is a YouTube video that I sent and I'm going to comment over it because I don't have a lot of time. So here goes. I open models, internal, that's my Excel project, models, okay. So I guess I'll stop the video here and explain everything really fast. V60 here, I hope you can see my cursor. V60, V is the velocity, so it's the speed that we'll be incrementing. X monkey is the coordinate for the monkey. It won't be moving left or right at all, so it will be just 150. And Y monkey is it starts at 200 in height and it falls down here with the 1 divided by 2 times minus 10 multiplied by time the elevated by 2, I guess, is that how we say it? And if you notice, this is similar to what we do here in Y projectile. We'll get into that and what that means. It's basically this is the movement of going down. So angle we calculated with an arctan. Arctan is basically what we do on paper with, I don't know how to explain, tangents with a -1 on top. That's what an arctan is. It's to get it's to reverse how do you say that? It's to reverse a tangent value to its original one. I'm sorry if I got that wrong, but that's what it's the best way I can explain it in English, and kind of better. Here's the Y monkey divided by X, and that's the value you need to arctan to get the angle we want. Okay, so X projectile and Y projectile. So X projectile, the projectile will only be moving right. So it's the velocity multiplied by the horizontal velocity. I'm sorry, it's calculated here. We'll get into that. Multiplied by time, so it will only go like this, from left to right. And Y projectile will go from it will go from up. It will fall. Actually, it will go up because we are shooting upwards, and then it will go down. So it's the same. It will go up, and this part where it's the gravity acting on it. So that's why we see this result here. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna hit play. Yeah, it's going up, but it's acting against the force that the vector that's hitting down, and that's this basically. So we talked about velocity, horizontal velocity and vertical velocity, and we're gonna explain how those were calculated, I guess. Basically, we multiply the velocity depending on if it's horizontal or vertical. If it's horizontal, we use a cosine and an angle, while with the vertical one, you multiply velocity by a sine of the angle. That's how you get it. That's the horizontal and vertical velocity. So you saw this, and you saw it with these particles here. So now I'm gonna show you that, but on Excel, if I can. And I know. Okay. So here it's the same kinda, but it's in Excel terms. I guess it's to show that we can also do it in Excel. So here we have the velocity. The dt is this, the time, the incrementation of time, I guess. So 0.3, it means that they will always be multiplying by 3. Actually, let me show you, since we don't need the video anymore, I can show you the actual thing. So I can, okay, here it's D7. D7 is this one, it's the one I'm clicking. So that means that it will always increment by D3 the previous one, so 1.5 plus ET, 1.8 plus ET. Actually no, 1.5 plus ET here. Yeah, the 11. X monkey and Y monkey, this is their starting positions. Then we actually act on it here. Not the X monkey, because it will be the same, we talked about that. If you notice, this is basically the same thing as what we saw before. The difference is that Y monkey is this value, and D7 is, it's the same, it's Vx. Same for projectile X, it's just going right, so that's it. And Y projectile, that's that's the projectile going up and down. And it's the same. D12 is this one, it's the time. Or and keep in mind that here it says D7 because it's this time, and it says D8 because it's this time, and it just keeps going like this. So visually, what does this mean? Basically, we can get a study here. Actually, I didn't change this. The legends, probably not what they're called, but we can tell what they are easily because, for example, here the blue line, we know that it's not changing anything, so it must be X monkey, right? Because the monkey isn't moving horizontally. This is just going straight up, so it's obviously the X projectile. It's just going to the right, and this is it's Y monkey because it's just falling. And the yellow one finally is the Y projectile because it goes up a bit and then it falls. And that's it. I'm sorry if this took so long and I sent you a wrong email. I'm really sorry about that. Hopefully this won't be overlooked. We'll see. Thank you for watching.